The repair shop star Jay Blades has said he was honored to be a part of King Charles III's early birthday celebrations ahead of turning 75 years old today. The furniture restorer, 53, was delighted to be a part of the monarch's special day after previously having met him on the set of the popular BBC show. Taking to X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, Jay shared some pictures from the special day in view of his 64,800 followers this morning. "Good morning all," he wrote. "What a real joy honor to share an early birthday celebration with King Charles LLL down at Highgrove Garden. We had such a laugh," he added with smiling and laughing emojis. "Happy birthday, sir. Sick." The photographs Jay shared showed the TV star enjoying a cup of tea as the king laughingly engaged him in conversation. Jay's followers took to the comments section to marvel at his special relationship with the royal, with Tim writing, "How great is this Jay?" Heart eyes emoji. Jill commented, "Love this. You two seem to have a brilliant rapport." "Good morning Jay, lovely pictures, have a great day," added Sarah, while Jim agreed, "Great pictures Jay. Sick." King Charles kicked off his birthday in style yesterday with a tea party at his home, Highgrove House in Gloucestershire. The early birthday party, hosted by the Prince's Foundation, was also attended by celebrity chef Raymond Blanc and Just an Illusion singer Lee John. Guests sang the monarch happy birthday before receiving some delicious-looking white and gold cake. Today's main birthday celebrations are due to take place at Clarence House, while ceremonial gun salutes are set to take place around the UK.